If you could train with any celebrity, who would it be and why?
Ranveer Singh.
Again.
Yes. Sugar is a
taboo.
new poison. Trust
It is a
me.
new
It's a
poison.
new poison. And we
Okay.
have seen it the hard way that it's really a new poison. I have learned to be happy.
Yeah.
I have learned to be happy and self-love. Yeah, I stopped this planning business. This planning business doesn't work. It's a
Doesn't
waste
work.
of time
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
I just go with the flow. Trust me, nothing scares me, nothing daunts me, nothing surprises me. Like, I have become strong from.
You made your connection with All Might. Hi Shubhra, welcome to Unstoppable Women. It's so good to have you here with us today.
And thank you for having me over. I'm really honored.
Goa is in the studio today.
Yes. Can you feel the vibes?
Absolutely feel your vibes. It's so fascinating to have someone who's been part of a professional career, corporate life, studied from NIFT, been a fashion designer, fashion stylist, and moved on to become a fitness trainer.
Yes.
How did this journey happen and transition happen?
It's still like not sunken. I still sometimes go back in that era of being a stylist. It was a very sudden transition. Being a fashion stylist, working with all these designers, attending all the fashion shows. I was at the top peak of my career, but still something was very badly missing in life.
Okay.
I could not feel centered. Mentally, I was not there. Physically, I was there, but mentally, something was big time missing. And it's when I entered the gym, the so-called gym, which never used to fascinate me because I had never entered the gym, in Otters Club.
Okay.
And the first day, it felt like magic, The first step, like you see in the movies, you open the door, you enter, and I was like...
That slow motion ASMR video.
Yeah.
Breeze aa rahi hai.
Yeah, and there I opened the door and I see Mr. Ranveer Singh standing there.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
and
What can get better than that?
Yeah. And Farhan Akhtar after an hour, like all these people, and I was like, wow, I've come home. And seeing the equipments, touching them, it was like homecoming for me.
So it's so vivid in your memory. Yeah?
Yes.
That
first
entire
day, yes.
Walking in, being aware of people around,
Yes.
the equipment.
Yes.
It wasn't just by chance that मैं आ गई हूँ and I'll just try it
No.
and see. No.
No.
So something was already making you
Yeah,
ready
it was like,
internally.
somebody had suggested to me, why don't you try a yoga? But I didn't want to. Then somebody had asked me, why don't you go to the gym? And I was like, no, gym is all for, guys, the big muscle and all
muscle
that.
builders,
That thing was in my mind. This still said, okay, Otters has a gym. You're a member. Why don't you go and check it out? It was then I said, okay, let's go and check it out. But somewhere I knew something. The sixth sense said, yes, girl, you go there.
Okay.
You're going to find something.
Okay.
And I actually found. The first very day I found.
So a very hectic life, very successful life which you were leading, Anita Dongre, and there are a lot of people you worked
top
with,
designers.
top designers you were working with,
Yeah.
fulfilled life.
Yes.
सब अच्छा चल रहा है, कुछ missing है, and that one day just turned around your life completely.
Yes.
You
Yes.
moved to Goa eventually to set
Yes.
up your gym in Anjana Beach, which is doing extremely well. But before we get there, this journey obviously has some background and some roots into your childhood also, right?
Yeah.
There was something in your childhood which kind of exposed you to fitness or health or exercise. Were you doing something in college or school?
Yeah, so school I was a lazy person. I couldn't even turn up for my PTs.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, so I always used to be punished.
Okay.
I was put in the hockey team and I was thrown out of it because
Okay.
I used to, literally whack people with my hockey stick instead of hitting the ball. So I was thrown out. My parents used to be called in the office. Ki your daughter is like a nuisance. So that time I was no. But during college, yes, I became more grounded. And my friends made me join the basketball team.
Okay.
So I was a good basketball player.
Okay.
I represented the state also.
Okay.
And then I also joined Taekwondo. I realized I love this the Taekwondo thing. And ended up being a black belt person. And
So a basketball national level player, a black belt.
not national, not state level.
State level.
Yeah.
But all of that obviously was giving you some glimpses of that I'm doing this, something makes me feel
Yes,
centered and
yes,
happy, right?
Yes, I love that.
Cut to 2024, you have a full-fledged practice, you have a gym, you have a business, you have MetaBurn, and it's just flourishing, it's growing. Right?
Yes.
How did you launch MetaBurn? Like, what was the thought behind it?
So during pandemic, I mean, I didn't know pandemic is gonna change the lives. I just went to Goa for 4 days.
Okay.
Just for 4 days.
You were just on a holiday in
not even
Goa.
on a holiday. I was supposed to buy this property,
Okay.
do the registration, and come back with 4 pair of clothes. I ended up in Goa when the lockdown happened.
And you got stuck there.
Yeah, I got stuck in a apartment with no
This
human
is
around
back in
2020. Yeah, 2020. Yeah.
2020 March.
Yes,
Feb, March.
yes,
Okay.
yes. And then it's all a blur how things changed. I never came back to Mumbai.
Wow.
Yeah, and my brother helped me set up the studio. He was like, "Hey, Didi, let's not, go back to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Why don't you try something new over here?"
Yeah.
And me being at that time, I was very impulsive, and I was like, "Yeah, let's open the studio without doing any research, any background research,
Mhm.
and that too in Anjuna."
Okay,
Where
which
it's,
is the epicenter of all the action in Goa.
Yes, you name it, and it's there.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's a storybook thingy, and let's do the studio. Yeah, the very
Yeah.
next day, we got the place, decided on the place, and then started thinking of names. And I had some like, yeah, we'll do this, we'll do that. Yes, I have fulfilled all those dreams.
What is it called?
It's called Metaburn Ignite.
Metaburn
Ignite.
Ignite.
Yeah, Metaburn
And
Ignite.
then you have Ignite as a program which you do, right? Within the gym.
Yeah, so see, I'm a rehab coach.
Okay.
I'm a master functional trainer, a
Okay.
Reebok personal trainer,
Okay.
Pilates core, Pilates instructor.
Okay.
So as per the requirement, like some people come to me injured, they've had some surgery or injury, their programs are based. Some come to become super fit, their
Right.
programs are based as per that.
Right.
Some come to me to get super toned, to lose weight. Well,
Yeah.
those people don't get the entry over there. Yeah. So if you enter there with the notion like, hey, I want to be a size 6 or size 4,
वो नहीं है.
there's no entry for you.
वो नहीं है.
And there
So
are
basically some serious
serious stuff
pursuit
goes.
reason होना चाहिए.
Yes. Serious reason hona
Yeah.
chahiye. Like
You also training celebrities or
a lot of celebrities,
Okay.
though we don't take names because they
Of course,
believe in maintaining their privacy.
Yeah.
So yes, a lot of celebrities. Yeah.
Okay. And we were just talking about how during pandemic, a lot of people have moved to Goa.
Yeah.
A lot of families from Delhi, Mumbai, I know even London, for that matter, in my circle, have moved baggage and settled down in Goa. So have you seen that has helped your business?
Oh yes.
Because the clientele is there now, right?
Oh, yes.
I mean, people who are familiar with going to gym as part of their lifestyle
yes.
are there now.
Yes. That's why Metaburn is able to flourish because we have these people who are coming to us,
Yeah.
and they are the serious goers.
Okay.
Yeah. They are the one who are really like focused.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So that has really
But,
helped.
The health is also about holistic, right? It's not really what you do on the treadmill or in the gym, and that's what I have experienced in my life. I'm not a gym person, but I complement gym with the other things which I do for my physical fitness. It's also about how active you are throughout the day,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And that is equally important to supplement to what you're doing.
Yes.
So do you get that into your training as well?
Yes. So see, firstly, whenever people say gym, I say, hey, mine is not a gym, so don't get daunted. It's a
Okay.
fitness studio, very
Okay.
personalized. And the approach to those who are very afraid, ki like, ye iron uthwaegi, she'll make us lift very heavy and all that stuff. Firstly, that's not the notion.
So it's
Like,
customized.
it's customized as well as I have a very holistic approach towards your fitness
Okay.
goals.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a overall your lifestyle which matters that will get you there, whatever you're looking for. So it's not just about lifting weights. I focus a lot on the mental health of each individual
Okay.
because that's really important during this journey.
Okay.
So make sure that you are very well grounded mentally,
Right.
or you get grounded during our training period with
Right.
me.
So in your gym, you also have nutritionist, dietitian. You have
No,
mental,
no, nothing. No.
any therapist.
No, so
for mental
So
health?
during our course, we are taken through a journey of the nutrition.
Okay.
So, but we can't call ourselves nutritionists.
Okay.
So whatever basic I guide them through, and that has helped each of them.
Okay.
And those who want to go to a dietitian, they go, but kya hota hai? And may they end up like not eating very well,
Or they discontinue
they
with,
discontinue.
Yeah.
So anything in life which you're not going to sustain for
Right.
long,
Which
because
is
with that kind of diet that they get, I'm not saying ki all of them are like starving, but
Yeah.
they are not able to sustain.
yeah. But
So-
tell me one thing.
Yeah.
You're defying the laws of nature, right? Completely. You have not aged. What is the secret, and what are the secret tips you can give to people who are entering their 50s?
I have learned to be happy.
Yeah.
I have learned to be happy and self-love.
Okay.
Also lifting weight, guys. That's a magic.
Okay. Especially for women who have, because a lot of changes happen because of parenthood, being a mother, and then menopause happens.
Yes.
You think muscle strengthening is very important?
Very important. As we are aging, I keep telling them, hey guys, from 35, 38 onwards.
35, 38 onwards.
Onwards, the menopause cycle starts. So don't train yourself to look beautiful in the mirror. Train for what you're going to go through after 40 onwards. After 40 onwards, you'll see a drastic change in yourself, your way of thinking. So start training for that period. And when you reach our age, you are well equipped to fight that ugly battle.
But you supplementing what you're doing with some diet and
no, I'm very careful with what goes in my mouth. I have a sweet tooth, but try to avoid sugar.
Okay. So why is sugar such a
sugar
taboo?
Is a new poison. Trust
it is
me,
a new poison.
It's a new poison. And we have seen it the hard way that it's really a new poison.
Right. And there's a lot of science supporting it. That it's got phosphorus, the white sugar especially, and it eats into your bones.
Yes.
Your skeleton structure will take a beating eventually.
It catches up with you.
Yeah. So I have sort of removed sugar from my diet.
You have also?
And I have one of my helper, she puts like 4 to 5 spoons in every cup of tea she drinks, and I'm like, oh my God. Please don't do this. But it's so much of a poison, and it's sad to see that even the fast food and the packaged food carry sugar because it's a preservative, right? Yeah. My kid is very small.
Okay.
And literally everything these days, which kids like has sugar in it.
Yes, yes.
So any tips you want to give to our listeners, how to be conscious about, being aware of what they're eating outside, which has sugar and not sugar in it?
You have to read the labels carefully, which we actually don't do in our day-to-day life. We just pick up stuff. It's written baked, we pick up. It's written sugar-free. We don't see whether it's any other kind of
now
sugar.
What you're saying about sugar-free, the other day I picked up a snack bar. It says sugar-free on top. I turned it.
And what was the label saying?
It's got like 20 grams or 15 grams of sugar.
Yeah, well, that is very bad.
What does it mean?
It's some kind of a sweetener they have added to it. It's some kind of, I won't be taking any names, but some kind of a sweetener has been added to it. So anything that tastes good, looks good in life is dangerous.
Anything that tastes good and looks good
in life is dangerous. So go for the not so very tasty stuff, boring people. So trust me, they are the ones who are very, very stable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So to balance your food in terms of what's on your plate, whether it's fresh from the farm or it's from the deep frozen state in the fridge, right? It has its life and its life cycle.
Yes.
In Ayurveda, which I follow, they say it's also about how sattvic the food is.
Yes.
Right? So, bilkul jo fresh bana hai, aapne kha liya and you have not refrigerated it, obviously it carries more prana and more energy in it.
Yes.
And it obviously gives you energy to whatever you're doing in the gym.
Yeah. This I have learned a hard way.
Like, why? Why do you say hard way?
Because I didn't have time. I used to cook, refrigerate stuff and then eat it. Because I'm working like 12 hours, 13 hours in a day.
Yes.
So like, I don't have time to cook. So on the weekends, I used to cook and refrigerate it. But my health went for a toss.
Okay.
So now I have a fresh tiffin system where the lady actually cooks for me whatever I want. Fresh food. And yes.
Now are you vegetarian or not?
Vegetarian.
And were you always an vegetarian?
No. I was a proper hardcore non-vegetarian.
So what made you give up?
During pandemic, I didn't have food. Like when I was stuck, I didn't have food for like, you can say a week.
You didn't have food in the house for a week?
Yeah, I was stuck in a new house, new apartment with no neighbors around me.
No furniture?
No furniture. I was sleeping on the floor, drinking tap water. I didn't even I had nothing. So, I was literally in an unconscious state. My parents don't know about it. But whatever dry fruits I was carrying from Mumbai, it was there in my bag. Because I didn't know, after 4-5 days, I was literally sleeping for 18-20 hours because there was no food. And I didn't want to panic.
Was there electricity in the house?
Yeah, there was there. And every morning with whatever energy I had, I used to take a bag because Goa was badly hit by this pandemic.
Yes.
First, everything was shut down.
Yes.
I used to go looking on the street for food.
Yes.
So one fine day, when I made a barter system with Mr. Almighty. That hey, you give me food.
Yeah.
And I give up whatever I love eating, chicken, So
Oh
that
my
is when I
God, I'm
gave up.
getting goosebumps listening to this.
Yeah, and you
Shubhra.
know, you won't believe that very evening, one of the friends, he called up. He said, "I hope, Shubhra, you have reached Mumbai back very safely." I said, "Hey, no, John, I'm very much stuck in Goa." And so he said, "How are you surviving?" I said, "Like, look, I'm very weak. I can't speak. I have no food." And that was within an hour. I had hot rice and chole
The
delivered at
moment
my,
you
Yes.
did the pact with Almighty,
yes,
कि
yes.
I will
After
give
for
up
5
non-veg.
hours, I think, yeah.
कितने घंटे में हो गया ये?
For 5 hours. Trust me.
You
For
got
5
your
hours.
food after 6 days.
Yeah, I literally, it was 7th day, I think I got my food.
Okay.
And I was surviving on 2 kishmish, 2 kajus, whatever I had, I wanted it to last forever. And I was sleeping for 18-19 hours out of weakness.
My God, this is real. I mean,
Yeah.
we've seen that movie Castaway, right?
I don't watch movies, so I won't say.
Yeah, it's I can't even imagine.
Yeah.
This is
And
very
since-
life transforming.
Yeah, and since then, doors opened and everybody started, like, people started, because I had no social media. So my friends from Mumbai, they also woke up. They also started posting, "Hey, my friend is stuck. We need a pillow. We need a bed sheet for her to
सब
sleep."
आने लग गया.
सब आने लग गया, खाना आने लग गया. खाना के साथ then some wrong people also started, knocking doors कि hey, they used to come with the food and they say, "Hey, we supplied this and this. Do you want this?" I said, "Dude, just give me the food and get lost."
Okay.
All kinds of
Okay.
thing in Goa started, like,
Okay, so Almighty was checking you.
कि
Now
देखो
that I've
बेटे,
opened the door, let's see who you enter.
I never let that happen. I just took the food part, and then for the second pandemic, I was fully prepared. I had a good kitchen running, and it was my turn to give food to people who had helped me or who used to get
so
stuck.
your
Yeah.
payback time then.
And
Lovely.
then I could do whatever I could do in my,
Amazing. I mean, what a way to enter a new state,
yes,
life transformation,
yes,
and then you settle down there,
yes.
right? It's very unusual. I haven't really heard of many people coming up with the story. We plan कि हमें country change करेंगे.
नहीं.
We move cities. We plan for years and years in advance, right? Here you're saying कि I just चार कपड़े.
You won't
You
believe.
walk into a city and you are stranded for 7 days.
7 days to stranded. I was stranded for 3 months with that 4 pair of clothes because everything was shut down. I had no shampoo. I had no toothpaste. I had run short of every possible thing. My hair used to look like a nest. All those clothes were tattered. And my son always used to joke, "Hey mom, every time you travel, you used to travel with a suitcase full of clothes. This time, what made you travel with just literally 4 clothes? 4 pair of clothes and back."
But Shubhra, tell me, like, obviously this is a very soul-stirring and life-transforming experience. But if you've gone through something like this, essentially it prepares for the anything can happen in life. It prepares you for the
Yes.
next, right?
Yeah.
Has it made you strong?
Very strong.
More resilient in life?
Very strong. Very, very,
Very
strong.
strong. If you can
Mentally-
survive this.
Yeah. No, nothing scares me. Trust me, nothing scares me. Nothing daunts me. Nothing surprises me. Like, I have become strong. Proudly, I can say yes. I have
And
become strong.
you made your connection with Almighty
Yes,
at
yes.
that time.
Yes. And whatever promises I have made to him, I have lived by it.
Live by it.
Yes, and I won't break it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
We technically plan for such events, right? When we are moving from city to city.
Yeah.
You had not planned this.
No.
Is it something which just happened, or you are like this? That you'll just make plans on the go and
no.
carry on with it.
So, I have realized nothing has gone as per whatever I have planned in life.
Okay.
Nothing has gone. Whatever I have planned. So, nowadays, I have stopped, a few years back only, I stopped this planning business. This planning business doesn't work. It's a
Doesn't
waste
work.
of time
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
I just go with the flow.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I just go with the flow. Things happen on its own. I trust the process. I follow that.
Are you spiritual?
I don't know whether I'm spiritual,
Are
but
you
yeah,
religious?
religious, no, but yes, spiritual. I'm very conscious of not hurting anybody. I'm very conscious. I'm not doing anything wrong. I mean, whether you call that spirituality.
Conscious.
Yes,
You're
I'm very-
conscious living.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I wouldn't hurt you. Even if I speak something harshly to you, I will apologize. I'm a soft person. I'm supposed to be a hard person. Yes, I am. But but I'm a very conscious and soft person.
So physical fitness journey has helped you in tackling the anxiety and
Yes.
the uncertainty
Yes.
which you faced. You mentioned
Yes.
that you
Yes.
were not that confident, and
Yes.
they used to be anxiety issues.
Yes, lot of them.
So all that you're not feeling anymore, and
no.
in fact, obviously, you're empowering a lot of people who are coming
Yes.
at your center now.
Yes.
And are there any big breakthrough stories which have happened at Metaburn? Anybody who's healed, anybody who's come out of some physical issues and
Yes.
is living a more fulfilled
Yes,
life now?
I can't take the names,
Of
but
course,
I have
yeah.
had these people who have come to me on wheelchair.
Okay.
Yeah, some people have come to me where they couldn't even walk to my studio. They have been brought by their husbands because they've had surgery. They have screws on their back, on their spine. They have been bedridden, but they have walked in the studio, and they have given me reviews on the Google also, so you can check that. And they are leading a very normal life right now. I have transformed their life. So people on the wheelchair, no more are on their wheelchair. They are very much doing their day-to-day chores. They are moving about like a normal person. So those, and mentally also, I have helped a lot of them.
Okay.
Yes, and proudly I can see, yes, I have had people, men, women, who have come to me so weak at the point, suffering from depression, seeing therapists, seeing doctor, but now after working at Metaburn Ignite for few months, few years, they're no more. They don't need their therapist. They have chucked them out. So whether it's me who has helped them or their journey at lifting, pushing, pulling, whatever has helped them, but yeah.
So it's just more holistic,
Yes,
whatever they are
yes,
getting
yes.
from you. Okay. And if one has to find you outside of Goa, how does one get you to Bombay or Delhi or outside India?
You know,
Do you have clients who are reaching out to you that, hey, Shubhra, help us as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you do consultation?
I do consultation. I
Okay.
help them, with whatever I can over phone calls.
Okay.
Yes, I do the consultation. But right now I haven't decided because my
Hmm.
whole energy, my whole attention goes like in running this business
Yeah.
as well as being a coach. I'm working for 12, 13 hours in a day.
Yeah.
So my energy is spent out.
Right. There are two areas where I see a lot of issues in corporates.
Okay.
And a lot of youngsters are also talking about it, which is back issues. It starts with some neck pain and some back pain, and suddenly I'm listening to that people are going for surgeries.
Yes.
कि आज आपका डिस्क में बल्ज आया है, डिस्क रप्चर नहीं हुआ है, and उससे पहले the doctors are recommending कि you
Yeah.
go for surgery. And I have gone through certain similar issues, and my go-to hack was that I believe in Ayurveda and Panchkarma.
Okay.
So I always get Panchkarma treatment done.
Okay.
And I know it's time for me to detox, to kind of pause and come back. Something I have done wrong in my diet or in my mind management. And then my
Yep.
spine strengthens and, I'm back and I bounce back. But I don't know, everybody doesn't have this go-to hack, right? But what, in your opinion, what is the issue? What's really going on? What are we doing wrong in our lifestyle?
So
these
see,
days?
sometimes these pains is caused by these what the youngsters are complaining.
Yeah.
Sitting for long hours, they have all their desk job. They are not moving much.
Yes.
Movement is the key. You have to move. You have to leave this chair. You have to walk around. Do
Yes.
anything,
Yes.
any activity. I'm not saying just lift weights. Do anything. Sitting for long hours. You can't sit for more than an hour. You
Correct.
have to move around.
Correct.
That is called the wrong posture. Leaning over a laptop.
Yes.
Looking down on your phone, so that neck pain is caused because of that. All the time you're playing games, you're looking in the phone. As it is, I think our head is of 16, 17 kgs
Okay.
or 13 kgs. I'm getting confused. And by the
Okay.
time you're in the laptop or like you're
So you're carrying 13, 14
22 kgs, it becomes of
on your
22
neck.
kg. Yeah, the neck becomes of 22 kg and then you had it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And you're sitting for long hours, like I said, without any movement. And the way you are sitting slouched.
Yes.
The spine
body
is taking
posture,
all
yeah. Yeah.
all the toll.
Yeah.
So that is there, as well as some of the pain is emotional. There are a lot of time the people after pandemic, I think life has changed for
So
everybody.
it's true we carry our emotional
Right.
strain in our
Yeah.
joints.
Yes,
right?
yes. So your neck
Hmm.
or your gut, your calf. So for me, it's whenever I get stressed out, my calf takes a toll.
It pains.
Yeah, it pains and I have start having cramps. Though I take a lot of water, my supplements, but I know what it is, what has triggered it.
Yes.
So your lower back, your neck, your shoulder. In fact, I did a reel also. I don't talk much on the camera.
Yeah.
So I did a reel where I'm talking ki, hey, like it's not only because of the physical, whatever is going on. It's all emotional.
Hmm.
So guys, pay attention.
Check.
Even the doctors send you back home. Okay, there's nothing wrong with you, but still the pain is
Yes.
persisting.
Yes. So that's the psychosomatic part of
Yes,
How
and
the mind
I'm seeing
operates.
these youngsters going a lot. I have a lot of students
as young as 10-year-old, 14-year-old. It's starting very early on.
because
right?
lot
Because
of
screen time.
pressure, screen
Lot
time,
of screen time.
and the social media has its own ups and downs. You want
You and talking about social media, you came onto social media in 2021. You've never had an Instagram account
no,
before
no,
that.
no, no. I used to laugh at people. Hey, what is
Okay,
this?
what are they doing?
What are you
Whiling
doing?
away
Why are
their
you
time
wasting?
on
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. Now look at me.
You're doing it obviously because you want to reach out and you want to reach out to the right audience.
Yes, right audience, and I
Hmm.
want to like inspire people. Ki hey, I mean, my journey has not been easy.
Have you ever been trolled?
Oh, don't ask me. Every second day,
How do you-
not even second day, every hour.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you manage that?
I
mean-
I delete all the comments. I delete all that
so
comments.
it's all
yeah.
like, अच्छा ये नहीं है तो मुझे दिखेगा
नहीं
नहीं.
नहीं दिखेगा. I mean, people can be really like some of them are
Nasty.
really sick,
Very nasty.
nasty and sick.
Hmm.
Yeah, they don't spare you.
Hmm.
Here I'm
No,
spreading
it's also
wellness
a
like
mirror of what's happening in the society, right? That people don't know how to let go of negativity. So they found कि ये ना एक जरिया है. You
Yeah,
get
yeah.
on the net, look at people, easy targets, and
Yes,
start trolling
yes,
them, and
yes.
they feel, something is let go.
So people think I'm like quite hooked on to Instagram. It's not I'm hooked on to Instagram. I'm
No.
very touchy about my page. Ki, hey, I
Yeah.
hope nobody is, again trolling, writing anything wrong about my students. But it
Hmm.
happens. So
Hmm.
every few hours I go and check the comments, and I'm like, if it doesn't meet my standards,
You will.
I will delete it. And for that matter, Instagram
So
had
you
shadow
want to
blocked me.
save space for yourself and for the people who are
Yes.
following you.
Yes,
You want like
yes.
that neat interaction.
Yes, neat interaction, not no
Stay
rubbish.
focused.
Yes,
Of course.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
life is short.
Yeah, life is too short. Yeah.
Okay. Talking about back problem, there's another thing which a lot of people struggle with is sleep,
Yeah.
right? I mean, I in my experience, what I feel is that doing pranayams, yoga, meditation really helps in giving those extra hours of rest.
Yes.
So they say 20 minutes of meditation can give you 2 hours of sleep.
Yes.
There's some maths to it.
Yes,
I could be wrong, but I have experienced that in my life.
that works.
And my sleep time sometimes reduces, sometimes increases, depends on the rest time I need. But technically, people who are not aware of any techniques
Mm-hmm.
and they are also not leading healthy lifestyles are struggling with sleep. Normal people, busy people, happy people, unhappy people, everybody is struggling with sleep. Do you feel that sleep obviously is also part of your training?
Yeah, I encourage them.
Do you
like,
encourage them like healthy
yes.
routines to follow? Do you have any tips and hacks for our
So I
listeners?
myself am not following it, so it might sound fake, but
Okay.
but for the others, like because
Yeah.
I am pressed for time. Even if
Yeah.
I want to sleep early, I'm not able to sleep early.
But what is the impact of good sleep on fitness?
Oh, you get up well rested in the morning. Your
Yes.
energies
So
are
how
high.
many hours
I mean,
is recommended when you're doing
I would suggest 6 to definitely
6 to-
7. Nothing like 7. 8
6.
is too much. 8 is being a little lazy, but science says 8. Now it's up to you whether you want
6
to
to
follow
7
the
hours, let's say
science.
that.
Yeah, 6 to 7 hours is good
Okay.
enough. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good, I mean, it's a healthy impact. I mean, it's a magical impact on your body, on your mind, on your
Right.
soul.
Right.
A restless
And-
night is like the whole day is spoiled. The next day is gone
Correct.
for a toss.
Correct.
Yeah.
And in terms of workout,
Yeah.
is there a good time to work out? Morning or evening,
No.
night? What
No,
is
no. I totally defy that.
Acha.
You can, whatever time, works for you. You just show up. Whatever
Okay.
time. You're too busy in the morning, no problem.
Okay.
Show up during your lunchtime. Too busy during your lunchtime, show up in the evening.
Okay.
For a person like me, I train myself after 7 to 8 to 9 PTs in a day, personal training.
Wow.
8:30 in the night, I lift my weights. From
So after training the whole day, you are doing your own training in the evening.
8:30 to 9:30 in the evening. I have my dinner at 10, which is very wrong as per the science
But
and
that's
standard.
what-
I can't help it.
Yeah.
10 o'clock, I go home and then I do my house chores. But I'm so tired, I have no option but to fall asleep. But I take the right supplement and I encourage everybody to go for the magnesium. So have
Muscle
your magnesium,
relaxant.
yes, magnesium. It comes with a lot of good properties, and
Yeah.
do your research. What works for you?
Hmm.
What works for you? I mean, I wouldn't suggest anything.
Hmm.
See and have
And
it.
what about protein shakes and all? Do you invest in that?
I'm like I totally support protein shakes.
You do.
Yes. See, people are ready to have alcohol.
Hmm.
That did nobody judges. They
Hmm.
smoke, and I mean, then they question the protein shake. I mean, roadside खाना खा रहे हैं. Nobody talks about all that, and they say protein just
Protein
because
shake
बोल
में
दिया कि
problem.
protein में भी ये problem निकल
हाँ.
गया, so let's not have protein shake.
हाँ.
No, we are not able to meet our protein intake in a day. And guys, whether you be a lady or a guy, you're working out in a gym or not working out, we need to have our proteins, at least as per our body weight.
Yeah.
In fact, I meet a lot of people, they say, hey, I don't work out, so I don't need the protein, that amount of protein. I mean, who said that?
Okay.
So we have not been taught that. Even I was not aware till I didn't do all these courses during
Yeah.
us.
And you're continuously even, enabling yourself in terms of learning new things.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gifting, in fact, Dian Pandey has taught me. I mean, she only told me, ki gift yourself a certification every few years.
Every few years.
Let your knowledge
so
be.
it's an upgrade.
Yes.
You have to keep doing.
In fact, whatever courses I have done, like it comes with an expiry date because science changes in this industry, right? So the technique changes. We have to keep ourselves abreast with whatever new technology is going around.
Yeah.
And so I'll keep upgrading my. I'm doing a course on menopause.
Okay.
So trying to help the women the best I can.
Yeah.
Because nobody talks about this, the menopause thing, the pre-menopause.
Yeah, it's a hush-hush thing.
Yeah,
like,
hush-hush
I can
thing,
see a few content being created here and there. The conversations which have just started,
Okay.
but not really. It's not really out there in the spotlight.
Yeah, so
It doesn't have a spotlight yet.
Started with this course on menopause. I mean, it's an eye-opener where, I mean, how you're supposed to train yourself, how you're supposed to be soft on yourself, not so harsh, which even I used to be after, since, I mean, past few years tak to wahi halat thi, but now I know how to train myself, the ladies around me, and it's benefiting each of them.
So essentially, it's your journey, and then you're obviously
Yes,
sharing that knowledge,
whatever I have.
experiences with others.
Yes.
When we are traveling in corporate life, we obviously have to catch a flight tomorrow or, travel for personal reasons on weekends, or the travel is just part of our lives.
Right.
So, wo pura gym ka schedule goes haywire, right? And
Right.
sometimes when we are going somewhere, gym might not be available. So, what are the hacks? Are there any functional exercises one could do in the gym room? And what is the motivation one can have to do it?
Your self-love is going to motivate
Self-love
you.
is the beginning of it all.
Yes, yeah. I mean, you are answerable to yourself. In fact, I have my students, my client, like who are traveling always. So you and your body weight is good enough to get you going. You don't need a gym.
So you need to carry the body weight, functional exercises.
Functional exercises, do your basic stuff. I don't teach very fancy exercises.
Okay.
Those boring exercises which people call is gonna make you or break you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, or if you want some kind of a resistance training, they carry their bands, the resistance band. Even a bottle of water, 1 kg, 2 kg bottle of water is good enough. And the 10 minutes to 20 minutes is good enough. Even a cushion is good enough.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So as long as you're moving
is
and
the
being
key.
active.
Yes.
Talking about the basics being taken care of, I had experienced that how core muscles are very important to us, right?
Yes.
And after having my child, obviously I had ignored the core muscle strengthening till the time somebody told me, bro, like you don't have those muscles anymore. You need to get them back.
Okay.
This was after a bit of a bad back issue.
Okay.
And that made me realize that how much of our core muscles we really ignore. While people are going to the gym, lifting weights, doing that, body muscles dikh rahi hain. But the core muscles, I've been told, is 80% of all the muscles which you have in the body. And the boring exercises which we can do in the hotel are to manage those 80% of the muscles.
Yes.
So that is through bad experience which I learned. But if you could talk about the core muscle strengthening, how important it is.
That's the key. That's what when they come to the studio, my training sessions doesn't start with lifting weights. I teach you the basics. Okay. It's like a kindergarten. You're walking in a kindergarten. So if you have the patience, you stay with me. So we take that step where we talk about how the importance of the core training and how we incorporate core training even in your day-to-day chores. Like right now, you are sitting. Your core has to be engaged. So even I remember, you have to hold on to it. Like people ask me a lot of times, hey, can you make a reel like about the core engagement? Like if I tell you, hey Shailja, I'm coming to punch you, what are you going to do right now? You got hold of it, right?
Got hold of it. Yeah.
So belly button in the spine all the time. You have to be aware of your posture. Either you tighten your glutes.
Shubhra, after becoming mother, women let go of this.
Right.
I think they let go because I've gone through this. And there is a huge area where it needs focus because वो वापस ही नहीं आता है कभी. With some women, they don't realize it and it never comes back.
So Shailja, even has happened with me. You have to see my old pictures. I had just let go of myself after becoming a mom. And after my second baby, so definitely let go. I had become some humongous human being, which nobody could recognize.
Okay.
But when you look at the mirror, and then you realize कि hey, like an injuries पे injuries हो रहे हैं, doctors के पास जाना पड़ रहा है. So it's better to take care of yourself. And that time I come from that era when nobody guided you to a gym or you never had these trainers who could help
Right.
you with this.
Right.
Yeah, so you had to learn from the channels and all that.
Yeah.
This is when I realized the importance of core. This pain is happening because my core is not
But
tight.
this was your self-realization,
Self-realization, yeah. I started doing online researches that time.
right? Got it.
Like, hey, this is hurting. Even
Got
that
it.
time, online also was not like
Yes.
you're very much in and all that.
Yeah.
So, but whatever I could lay my hands on,
Yeah.
that's when I realized the importance of core. And today, so even if I'm walking, my core is engaged.
It's engaged.
Yes. Like all the students who train with me, they know. They send me these funny videos also about the core engagement and all that. Yeah, okay, coach.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after. So we all have, people here are only focused on making abs, I tell you. They want good abs.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
have an ab. I mean, but first, let's focus on the core.
Yeah. Actually, if your core muscles are sorted,
Yeah.
if you punch that person
Yeah.
with strong core muscles, they are like steel, yeah.
Come and punch me.
Yeah, no, so
Hey, come and
I
punch
can
me.
say the same because
Because
it's been
they-
2 years I've been just at it, core
Yeah.
muscles. मुझे बाहर का muscles, I have nothing to do with बाहर का muscles. It doesn't matter to me, right? Because core is not sorted, your life is not
So
sorted.
even while you're doing a shoulder press, even while you're doing a bench press, even while you're doing a deadlift, you're doing a squat,
you have
it's
to
your
engage.
core. It's your core which is helping you with the right, you're able to do it right because your core is
Engaged.
supporting you. Yeah, core is
But
engaged.
tell me, one is like consciously we are engaging our core,
Yeah.
right? While you're doing the core muscle
Yeah.
strengthening, or then obviously through the day as well,
Yeah.
because now you're conscious.
Yeah,
If you're standing, if you're sitting in a certain posture, you kind of hold it.
yeah.
But what sometimes you let go also. Like I'm still on that journey. So
We
what
all
you
do that. We all are humans. We should help
थोड़ा
each
relax
other.
हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
अच्छा चलो ऐसे
But then
बैठ
when you
जाओ,
try to get up, you will feel a strain on your lower
of
back.
course,
Yeah,
of course.
but that means your core, you have let go of your core for a long period of time. Yeah. So
So
you're.
this is so fundamental.
This is.
You know, we are this entire Instagram generation is all about selfie clicks and pumped muscles and the abs which you're
Yeah.
talking about. But I think a lot of knowledge is required on the core
Core
muscle
strength.
strengthening.
So I can proudly say my students, each of them, whoever I have trained, I must have trained 400, 500,000 people over this, more than that, 400, 500 is too less, yeah, over this years. They're well aware of their core engagement. Their core
Okay.
is super strong.
Okay, is Pilates good for it?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm also a core Pilates instructor, though
Okay.
I'm a weightlifter, so I just don't pay attention to that area much. But yes, Pilates, that's what it helps you in.
Pilates, yoga, both, or Pilates more?
Yoga also, it depends on the teacher, how they teach you. The
Hmm.
teacher really matters.
Mm.
Because some of the students I have come across, they are, in spite of doing yoga, I mean, they still have their back issues.
Back
their
issues
shoulder
हैं.
issues are not sorted out.
And कुछ गलत भी कर सकता है.
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल.
And there are a lot of gym injuries, right? It's not like people haven't got injured at gym.
So I'll
And-
tell you why. I mean, I'm also getting a lot of people because these days all the influencers have started calling themselves coaches and trainers.
Yes.
We have to be very careful while choosing our trainers. We have to check their certification for sure. Just because they call themselves a trainer, that doesn't mean they are certified. People are buying online courses, online, these free apps are available.
Yeah.
And they have made a good body for themselves, and
Yeah.
then they call themselves trainer.
Yeah.
And I mean, nobody on this date goes and checks their certification. You look
Yeah.
at their Instagram page. Hey, they have so many followers. They're training so many celebrities, and that's a good trainer.
Right.
But-
so I think it's also about how conscious the influencer is that whatever I'm making as content, somebody is consuming that content,
Yeah.
engaging with the content.
Yes.
So you have a responsibility as a creator. You have a responsibility as even a follower of some
Yes.
creator, right? कि जो information है इसको validated है कि नहीं? Is there a certification like what you're saying?
Yes.
Right? And above that, I think people like you who are the flag bearers and who have all the information and knowledge should come out more and create content and be out there and engage with people, because
I'm planning to do that now.
yeah, that's
because
that's required.
I'm meeting people with injuries right in the gym.
Yes.
People have gone to that extent that they've had surgery.
Yes.
Yeah, because of all their wrong movement.
Yes.
Lot of tears has happened, like because of the wrong, where everything that, there's science behind movement, which I hardly see people following.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and we are just, do you think we are wasting time over the years by taking certification after
Yes.
certification, and here within a year you become a trainer, and
Yeah.
a lot of chaos is happening in this field.
Yeah. In the gym, I've also seen one thing that you get inspired by what's happening around, right? Acha, oh, itna acha kar raha hai, wo
Yes.
itna acha kar raha hai. And sometimes you feel, why do I need a coach or a trainer? I can see, that person,
Okay.
I can observe that person is doing something and I can pick up things.
I was one of them.
Oh, you were one of
yes,
them. Okay.
Yes. I used to watch these channels. I used to pick up these exercises, and at random, I used to do them.
Yeah.
So when I went to Reebok, my first coach, Vinata, I'll be grateful to her forever. So Vinata, she took me around Priyadarshini Park, that whole track. And she asked me, okay, Shubhra, from where have you? And I used to think I'm the hottest one. Yeah, I know Miss Know-It-All. And she asked me, from where have you learned? I said, Vinata, from YouTube. And she laughed at me. And that laugh still rings in my ear when somebody tells me, I watch YouTube and do my workout. And that laugh, I know why she laughed at me. The first day in the class, I mean, it was a long period where we did the certification.
Yeah.
I actually knew nothing.
Yeah.
And she always used to pick me up in the class and say, hey, she knows all. Come on, show us.
Hmm.
Do you know what you're doing? What is the reason? Why are you doing this? Which muscle is being used? I mean, till you don't relate to your muscle, till you don't relate to what you are doing, the body is not going to listen. Just lifting weight is also not going to get you there.
It's a machine. It's a process.
Yes, it's a whole process.
It's a
Where
process.
science, you have to understand what is happening with your body. You have to be friends with your muscles. You have to respect them. You just can't bash it up by just
Yes.
lifting here and there. And
Yes.
this is when I learned, okay,
Yes.
now the channels are not going to help me learn, and you are going to help me learn.
So you got a trainer, you got a proper coach and guidance. And
Yes,
you
so
learned
she was
the
a
basics.
teacher during our Reebok course. So
Okay.
she taught us. And as I started implementing, and then my other teachers and members of Waters who were coaches already, they helped me a lot.
Okay.
And till today also, I'm ready for learning.
Okay.
If I do something wrong, they see my video.
Yes.
Something goes wrong, or if I'm making my
Yes.
client do something and I have missed out on something,
Yes.
I am blessed that I have these coaches, not only sitting in India, but abroad also. They watch the movement, they call me, they message
Yes.
me, hey, this is going wrong.
Yes.
So I won't fight with them or argue with them, no, sir, I did right. I will take it as a, oh, wow, they're trying to help me. I'm open to learning every single day and every
Yes.
moment.
It shows from your videos actually, because I saw a few and it looked like very comprehensive, researched content is being put out there, right?
Yeah.
So I think this is for our listeners when they are doing any sort of training or fitness regime they want to follow. Please
Yeah.
go to a trained coach or a
Yes.
trainer who's certified and verified, and also has enough positive things being written on Google or YouTube or wherever
Some
they can
people
search.
find me very expensive. But the sad part is people are ready to spend, like being in Goa. I'll just give you an example. They're ready to spend on parties. They're ready to spend on alcohol. I mean, name it. But when it comes to spending on themselves, I mean, they find this whole setup very expensive.
क्यों
You're
हेल्थ
very
दिखती
expensive.
नहीं है ना, वो लिकर दिखता है.
Yes.
Health is a future investment.
Yeah, it's a future
And
investment.
that is food is right here and now. All the
Yeah.
gratification is happening now.
Right now.
That's
Yeah.
why.
So that's the sad part. Like you can afford, but you are not ready to spend on yourself. You are spending on all the right for them. I think that is right.
So it's also the attitude and how serious you are about what you're after.
Yeah.
And you understand that health is fundamental to anything you want to do in life.
Yes.
You want to have great time in Goa, you need to have a physical fitness,
Yes.
great body.
Yes.
Both ways,
Yes.
on the beach, in
Yes.
the gym,
Yes.
and in the
Yes.
party otherwise as well. So that is the fundamental of
So
life.
I have some students who have this agenda, and I totally respect that.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever makes them
Yeah.
happy.
Whatever, they work out to have a good life.
Yeah. Yeah.
But they also respect my time, and they are very good at what they are doing. They follow some strict rules I have made for everybody. They stick by it, so they are with me.
So what's next for you?
I'm going with the flow. Nothing planned. Like I said, nothing is planned for me.
Right.
But I have a feeling something very exciting is going to happen.
Yeah.
I have a very strong sixth sense. I don't know what is that exciting thing or the good thing, but something.
But you're in a happy space right now.
Yes.
You
I'm in
think your life purpose sort of has fallen in place, and I think
Yes.
that shift, if I can say so, the shift happened from a Bombay to Goa, movement, or it had happened prior to
No,
that?
no, not prior to that. Not even after that. I used to cry, ki, hey, why did this happen with me? Why am I stuck in Goa? Why not Mumbai? My
Acha.
whole life is there. My friends
Acha.
are there. Why now I know why I'm here?
Hmm.
It has happened somewhere
So
in
on the
between.
hindsight, everything seems to have fallen in place.
Yes. Yeah,
So that's why you're saying कि go with the flow.
I'm going
आगे
with the
जाके
flow.
पता लग जाएगा, everything will fall into
People
place.
ask me, ki, what have you planned for the future? So guys,
Hmm.
I have nothing planned for the future. I don't know where life is going to lead me
Hmm.
after this.
Hmm.
What's going to happen? But I'm going with the flow. But my sixth sense says something really good is about to happen.
Great. We wish you
Yeah.
all the best. But
Thank you so much.
I want to ask you some good quick bites. My first question: if you could train any fictional character, who would it be?
That would be Miss Nancy Drew.
Wow. Okay.
I've grown up reading the books, Nancy Drew, yeah?
Nancy
So-
Drew walking into Metaburn. Yeah,
Yes.
that's a nice visual. If you could train with any celebrity, who would it be and why?
Ranveer Singh.
Again,
Yes.
that was the first day when you walked in?
Yes. The first guy who met me in the gym and the guy who always used to help me out and encourage me. And he always used to say, okay, I can see a very bright future for you. You're not meant for Otters Club. Dude, you have a life waiting ahead for you.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, I would love to connect with him once again because I have lost touch with him. And I would love to train him. Yeah.
Hope he watches this.
Yes.
Beach workout or mountain hike?
Mountain hike.
Why?
I'm done with beaches. No, I'll be because I have a water phobia which I have yet to get over. So
Okay.
for me, I would go for a video on the beach to make a content. Not more than that.
But you're a mountain person.
Yeah, I'm a mountain
So you
person.
go for holidays to mountains.
No, I have not managed one. I have ended up going to beachy places. Mountain
Okay,
is yet.
so that's on your bucket list.
Yes.
Okay.
Very soon.
Fad diets or sustainable wellness?
Sustainable.
plan? Anytime. Describe your fitness mantra in 3 words.
Strong.
Hmm.
Resilient.
Hmm.
Never to give up.
What advice do you have for embracing life and being unstoppable the way you are?
Self-love. Just love yourself. And you're no less than anybody. So, and don't let people define you. And just get out of that box which you're living in.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you, Shubhra. Thanks for sharing all your lovely thoughts
Thank you so
and your
much.
presence on the show with us today. We've learned so much and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.